Hello, my friends. Guess what? This is a really big week here at the Smith household. The week before moving day. And that's not all. This week also is filled with the discounts for you. So you want to stick around because today is kicking off the first of two. So let's start this week off with a bang with Alex Syberia. Alex Syberia's new release hits today, right now, and I've got a discount for you. It is an exclusive discount through me. So let me show you the beautiful release, and then I'll share you that code with you. So this here, oh, by the way, sneaky peeky, just to let you know, the majority of this is BetterPress. And who's going to be live with the BetterPress babes on the 12th, Thursday? This girl with her bestest cohort, Justine Dvorak. So we will be live here in the house on my channel, 8 p.m. this Thursday. And the beautiful Alex Syberia is hosting us. She is sponsoring us. So thank you, Alex. She has got this most beautiful collection. Now, everybody knows her florals are gorgeous. I mean, they're gorgeous, right? Okay. So this is no different. This is called Hugs in Bloom. This is 2 press plates and 2 dies. Alex, thank you for making us dies for our sentiments. We appreciate you. So look at this. Look at the size of this. Look at the size of this. This is 3, almost 4 inches height-wise here. So you can do a lot with this baby. You could make a background with this if you wanted to like do one this way and one this way. You could fill the whole card. Or you could do a little on this corner, a little on this corner. You could do some coming in this way, some coming in this way. I mean, there's so many options with this size of plate. So I really appreciate that. This kind of, to me, looks like a clematis. And I think clematises are gorgeous. They're when the purples with like the yellow centers. So that is like kind of where I'm leaning. I've just received these in the mail today. And of course, today is earlier than you're watching this. But I'm recording ahead of time because I'm moving in a couple days. So yeah, I'm moving like Saturday. So I am rushing to get through some videos so you guys have something to watch. But so I will be playing with these, but you will see us playing absolutely for sure BetterPress Babes, 8 p.m. March 12th, this Thursday. See you there. Mark your calendars. Okay, so this is Hugs and Blooms, but wait, it has a stencil. She thought of us even more. We have a gorgeous stencil to go with it. This stencil, how many pieces does it have? Well, I guess we have to open it up and find out, don't we? Because we need to know all the deets, right? Forgive my hands. Can you tell I've been crafting a lot today? Yeah, I've been crafting a lot today. 1, 2, 3, 4 stencils. And then we have the pretty directions as well. Okay, that's awesome. So this one here, it looks like we have the yellows and the greens, but they are quite separate. So yeah, you can definitely do easy 2 colors on that stencil. Yeah, and just mask off the yellow. Whoops. Just mask off the yellow like that. Got your greens. Easy peasy. All right. So those are, did you just see that peek underneath the stencils? You did, didn't you? You did. You peeking. Okay, I'll share. It's going to make it a surprise. Check this out. I just have to give you a moment. Chic shoes or chick shoes, however you want to say that. But it's all shoes, guys. It's all shoes. Okay. Look at this. This is so gorgeous. This is a die set for you die lovers out there. If you're not BetterPress crazed like I am, then she thought of that. She made you a die set. But look at the pattern. in this plate. Do you see that pattern on the sole? I just love that. And the stitching detail. Oh my goodness. And these flowers are gorgeous too. That is a gorgeous flower just to decorate your card with too. An embellishment flower. And there's 2 of them. So you can really, really go wild with that. And then you've got these little bows too. So yeah. So you see it's 2 styles of bows and 2 styles of flowers. I mean, they're the same, but they've got more different petals. And then see the sole with the leopard print. That is so cool. That is just, I mean, that is just so stylish. I just love it. Then you have a BetterPress sentiment. Now remember, every time I say BetterPress, you can also foil. So if you're a hot foiler, these are hot foil plates too. Okay. So if you don't have a BetterPress system, but you like your glimmer, totally can be done with any hot foil machine actually. But yeah, this sentiments read, "May gorgeous shoes take you to beautiful places, are always in style." So that goes with great shoes, or fab friends are always in style. Great shoes are always in style. So on your birthday, so you can do, good times on your birthday, have fun on your birthday, so you just play around with it. And she's done dies for the small words. And then all of these have dies as well. Isn't that great? Love it. Love it. And good size for the sentiments too. They're not too big. They're not too small. They're just perfect. So, oh, this one is called Fancy Shoes. We're doing fancy shoes. Love the name. Fancy. This is a reverse press where you're pressing the actual dark, this black area. That's pretty cool. Let me make sure I'm telling you right. Yep. See the plate here? You're actually pressing this solid, and you're going to be left behind with the flower, which is really neat. And then here's your leopard. That is leopard, or is it flower? Well, it's kind of either. It could be either really leopard print, or it kind of could be flower print. You could make those as flowers, then put tiny little crystals in the center of each of those. Oh man, that would be cool. That would be really fun. And then this one is kind of a slip-on, like a slip-on casual shoe. So you can kind of do anything with that one, really. You could jazz it up however you wanted to. And of course, she does have the die to fit all of those. So they're all the same size. And they're a nice size. Let's see. They're not too big. So you can really play with them on your card. Let's see. 1, 2. They're about a little tad bigger than 3 inches. So they're not too big. So, I'm too a little high there on the camera, but they're about 3 inches. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Maybe 3 1/4, somewhere in there. But not too large, which is nice. Now this one is bow shoes. Look at this. This is going to fill your A2. So this would be beautiful watercolored. But you don't even have to watercolor. You know why? Because there's a coordinating stencil. Yep. She thought of that. Yep. Yep. There it is. So she's showing it this way, but I'm thinking I like it this way. Let's see on an A2 size if that works. Let's see. I'm pretty sure it will. But I kind of like it. Well, it would be like this, actually, when it prints. But yeah, it should be exactly A2. That's 5 1/2. And then you've got the 1, 2, 3, 4 1/4. So it's exactly your A2 size, all the way to the tip, all the way down like that. You might have like 1/8 of an inch, or a little tiny itty bitty bit there, but not very much. So that is going to be a gorgeous, gorgeous card. Gorgeous. But you can also do it this way, is how she has it pictured on. Or, you know what? You could do it this way, too, and have them coming down this one. Man, there are so many ideas here. I love this. Okay, now, for the best part, Well, no, it's not the best part because the best part are the products. But the best part is the discount, right? I'm going to put it here really big on the screen. But I want you to know that this is an exclusive discount for the BetterPress babes. And I will have the link down below to follow. It's my affiliate link. So use the link and the code. And the code is BABES, BABES. It will get you an extra 7% off even the new release. So that is huge, off a new release. So that is amazing. So you have, just to remind you, this full plate is called Bow Shoes. The 3 smaller shoes is called Fancy Shoes. The Sentiments is Shoe Sentiments. The die set is Chic Shoes. And then the new flower set is Hugs in Bloom. And it does have that coordinating stencil. So I will leave all of these linked down below so you can find them. And most importantly, do not forget your discount. That's BABES, BABES. Enter it at checkout to get that extra discount. And that is off the rest of the website as well. But she's also being very generous in giving it to us off the new release. So thank you so much, Alex Syberia. We really appreciate you. And we will be playing with your products on Thursday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you so much, my friends. I will see you in the next crafty video. Make sure to ring that bell. You're not going to want to miss them. Bye-bye.